Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of being joined with Todd Taylor. Todd is running as a councillor for the town of Orangeville. Thanks for joining us today, Todd.
Yeah, thanks very much, Brad. I appreciate it.
So today I want to talk to you about working together. So as you may have know and have heard, council in the past has had some public disagreements, and certainly the perception is that they're not working well together.
Right.
So if elected, what would you do if you were in that position where the council isn't working together, and how would you personally address the problem?
Yeah. When I talk to people around town, the two biggest issues are taxes and this one that you're bringing up. So to me, one of the difficult things in leadership is to influence those that do not formally report to you. So you want them to help you get things done. I've been involved in many events through my community endeavors where leaders must emerge if projects are to progress. And I'm highly aware of the need to be humble and genuine while you're doing those things. I'm not someone who will grandstand or try to embarrass the other councillors while I'm at that. I do know the majority of people that are running in the election, and I've reached out to them to wish them well. Those that I do not know, I also wish them well, and I hope that we'll have a great relationship as time goes forward. If I'm successful in the pursuit of a council seat, I will work hard at developing strong, trusting relationships with all members of council. People who have an affinity for other typically work well together and get things done. Orangeville can count on me to behave responsibly and respectfully and professionally. I have taken this team-oriented approach in all of the leadership endeavors I've done. Things that I'm most proud of that people could judge me on is my time as president of the Orangeville Optimist Club and president of the Mono Nordic Club. So my last commitment to everybody in Orangeville is I will be professional. I will not embarrass anyone. These are my friends, my family, and this town's incredibly important to me.
Thank you very much for your time, Todd, and certainly I'm certain the voters appreciate your candid answer.
Yeah.
If you'd like to see some more of Todd's comments and answers to some questions, feel free to take a look at the links below, and thank you for watching.
Thank you, Brett.